Hello students, let's learn today tense changes in the direct and indirect speech. As you can see, I have written some examples. As you know, this is reporting verb and this is reported verb. The verb outside the inverted commas is reporting verb and the verb within the inverted commas is reported verb. If the reporting verb in the direct speech is either in the present tense or in the future tense, the reported verb tense does not change. The tense of the reported verb does not change. Let's see the examples. He says, I am clever. He says that he is clever. The change of pronoun will take place, but the change of verb does not take place. Okay? The teacher will say, the boy was clever. The teacher will say that the boy was clever. Future tense. This is past tense. This is reporting speech and this is reporting verb. This is reported speech and this is reported verb. See the answer. The teacher will say that the boy was clever. You can see that the verb does not change. It remains same. She says, I shall become a doctor. She says that she will become a doctor. So, if the reporting verb in the direct speech in the past tense, what we should do? If the reporting verb is in the past tense, the reported verb also goes into the past tense. For example, he said, I am tired. Reported verb is in the simple present. So, simple present becomes simple past. He said, I am tired. He said that he was tired. See the next one. Present continuous becomes past continuous. He said, I am going for a walk now. He said that he was going for a walk then. In the direct speech, if now is written there, now changes to then. In the same manner, present perfect becomes past perfect. He said, I have completed my work. Reporting verb, past tense. He said that he had completed his work. So, present perfect becomes past perfect. Next, he said, I have been completing my work for an hour. You can see this sentence is in present perfect continuous tense. We will change it to the past perfect continuous tense. He said that he had been completing his work for an hour. He had been completing his work for an hour. So students, if in the direct speech the reported verb is in the past tense, what should we do? Simple past becomes past perfect. This is reporting verb, past tense. The reported verb is simple past. We will change it to the past perfect. He said, I went for a walk. He said that he had gone for a walk. Similarly, past continuous tense changes into past perfect continuous tense. He said, I was going for a walk. Past continuous. He said that he had been going for a walk. Past perfect continuous tense. So students, let's recap. Tense remains unchanged when rewriting a sentence in indirect speech if reporting verb is in present or future tense. This I have already explained in the beginning of this video. Next one, if reporting verb is in past tense but reported speech relates to some universal truth or mathematical or scientific facts, habitual actions, proverbs or idioms. If you find any of these within the inverted commas in the reported speech, the tense does not change. Let's take some example. The teacher said the sun rises in the east. The teacher said that the sun rises in the east. Ramesh said honesty is the best policy. Ramesh said that the honesty is the best policy. We will not say Ramesh said honesty was the best policy. It's wrong. So you will find such facts in simple present tense and they will remain in the simple present tense even if reporting verb is in the past tense. At the end of this video, I have uploaded a slide based on the adverbial and adjective changes from direct to indirect. Please watch it, go through it and revise, learn and do practice more and more. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you.